best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never hurt myself tonight. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yas, back with another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and if you're returning, welcome back. So as y'all see from that title, today your girl is doing a wig collab with Youthfee here on Amazon. So here's me unboxing the wig, y'all. Shipping was pretty fast. It took like 2 days to get to me, which was great. The wig did come in this big pouch. It was packaged very nicely. The back has instructions on how to maintain your wig. And yeah, y'all, if y'all are interested in this wig, the link will be in my description box below, so go check it out. So the wig did come with gifts. We love free gifts. It came with a wig cap, some lashes, and some hair jewelry. This is the hair straight up out the pouch, y'all. Firstly, it didn't have no smell. Like, all wigs that I get from Amazon always got a smell. This wig didn't smell like nothing. So yeah, I'm loving it already. The quality was there, y'all. It was great. It felt real even though it was synthetic. And the knots, baby, the lace looks good. Look at it. It looks good. So yeah, it is a full lace, y'all. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, a strap in the middle, and then it has a comb in the back. So yeah, you got extra security, y'all. So that wig ain't going nowhere. It's secure to that kid, okay? It's secure. But yeah, y'all, this is me just putting it on because I honestly wanted to see how it looked on. Because me personally, I never thought about getting a braided wig, but I was messing with it, y'all. It was giving what it was supposed to give. This is the wig on. I have on a wig cap, y'all. It's real bright, so I know y'all could see it. I ain't do nothing to it. I just wanted to see how did the wig look on. It is super flat, y'all. Okay. So what I was saying is this lace actually fits perfect around my hairline. Like, I don't think I have to cut it or anything like that. It fits perfect. So let's get into this wig installation. So this is the spray that I'm going to be using to glue my cap down. Of course, I'm going to spray it around my whole hairline and then I'm going to let it dry. So here's the makeup I'm using, y'all. It is 2 different foundations. One is from Morphe and one is from the Beauty Supply store. So the one that I'm applying here is the liquid foundation, which is the Morphe, and the other one is from the Beauty Supply store. I would be applying that one to the lace because it's a cream to powder foundation, if that makes sense, y'all. So here I'm just cutting off the excess cap that I do not need because it's not giving ball cap, and we need it to give ball cap. So now, y'all, I'm just cutting off the back of the lace because I don't need it at all. I'm not gluing it down, nor am I sewing it down. So yeah, I'm putting on the wig just to adjust it and put it to my liking. I like to cut 3 slits into the lace so it can be easier to glue it down. And of course, I glue it down with the even lace glue. It's just the best. I love it. I prefer it over like Ghost Bond or any other type of hair glue there is. So once the spray dry, I just pulled the lace down and just stuck it to it, if that makes sense. And I'm just spraying more on top for a more firm and secure hold. And I'm going to do the exact same things to the other sides. So now I'm going to apply my lace band because I want it to melt and give scalp. Okay, y'all, so while this is drying, I'm going to show y'all a few hairstyles that you can do with the wig, because why not? So, the first and foremost, you can wear it down like this, which is cute, simple, basic, cute. So another hairstyle y'all can do is half a pat down. Real cute. It's giving old school. It's giving poetic justice for sure. You could also do a bun. Another style is y'all, this is giving childish. No. Okay, y'all, so I feel like it's been on there for a minute, so I'm about to remove the band. Of course, it'll get stuck to the hair. I kind of want to move the hair back, so I'm gonna tie it back, y'all. I'm about to cut this. Okay, y'all, so the lace is all cut off, as y'all can see. Now I'm gonna take my Pump It Up spray. I'm just gonna spray some on my hand, and then I'm gonna just go over the hairline with it. I feel like when I do this, it makes the lace like disappear. That's that, y'all. Go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to this channel right now, and leave a comment down below that you're watching this far along. So I'm just gonna let this sit on here for a little bit, y'all. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna take it off and do my baby hairs, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. Disclaimer, y'all, I do have a band-aid on because I had a breakout right there. I need some of them little star patches, but yeah, don't mind that. So I'm gonna be using a lot of body for my edges and my little edge brush. The edges are giving. I see that extra dramatic. That's what I love. Okay, y'all, so let's see the final look. Period. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Shop Youthfee here on Amazon. Y'all, this hair giving what it's supposed to give. I'm loving it. If you like it too, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel right now. And leave a comment down below what you want to see next.